Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron naman tayong bagong i-react na video ito. Ito ay galing kay Update PH. Ang sabi nga niya dito is BRP Diego Silang, the FF07 second ship of Miguel Malvar class frigates now at sea. Wow! Diba? Yun yung next na nagagawin yung ating another Corvette na Diego Silang, mga idolo. Tingnan nga natin kung ano nang progress ng ating pangalawang Malvar class ng ating frigates Corvette natin. Kasi FF kasi, bakit kasi FF din? Kasi yung Jose Rizal natin is FF din, saka yung Antonio Luna natin is FF din. Kaya parang frigates din ang dating ng Malvar natin, saka itong Diego Silang. Yan ang magulo din kung frigates pa talaga or corvettes eh. Pero whatever it is, at least meron na tayong mga bagong additional na mga brand new na mga warship, di ba, para sa ating Philippine Navy. Yun naman ang pinagandaan ko. So ito na, panoorin natin.
In a historic moment for the Philippine Navy, the BRP Diego Silang, FF07, the second vessel of the Miguel Malvar-class frigate series, now rests in the waters, marking a new chapter for the Navy's expanding fleet. This addition follows the successful commissioning of the first ship of the class, which has already proven its reliability and strength in...
So parehas na parehas yan sa ating Miguel Malvar. Meron din siyang 16 cells vertical launcher. Yun ang kinagandaan dyan. Diba? Dalawang ganun meron tayo. Malupit.
Naval operations. Designed to enhance the Philippine Navy's combat readiness, the Miguel Malvar-class frigates are expected to provide substantial support in the country's maritime defense and territorial security missions. The BRP Diego Silang is part of the Philippine Navy's Corvette Acquisition Project, which aims to modernize its fleet through the acquisition of new warships with multi-role capabilities. Under the leadership of HD Hyundai Heavy Industries, a renowned South Korean shipbuilder, construction on this class has been impressively fast-paced. Initially scheduled for a formal launching in December 2024, the ship's construction progressed ahead of expectations, sparking speculation that it may be launched even sooner. This rapid pace aligns with the Philippine Navy's ambitious goal to modernize its maritime forces. The Corvette Acquisition Project is a cornerstone of the Navy's modernization under the AFP's Horizon 3 phase, which envisions a fleet that can effectively respond to both external threats and humanitarian missions across...
So hindi pa kompleto yun, alam ko yung Sea-Star, yung apat na cell din. Sana tig-apat, hindi yung tig-dalawang cell lang, katulad nung sa yung vertical launcher, yung sa natin series natin, tig-dalawa lang. Sana tig-apat. So hindi pa tayo ilalagay yun kasi alam ko sa sa Hanwha. Ito sa Hyundai ito Industries Because yung Sea-Star na sa Hanwha. So parang dito na rin sa Pilipinas ilalagay yun. Kaya kulang, parang kung meron pa bang kulang Hindi lang yun. Pero at least, di ba? Sana lagay agad, pagkadating dito sa Pilipinas, ilagyan agad-agad ng Sea-Star. Di ba? Kompleto na yung ating armaments para sa ating mga Malvar class na ating corvettes, di ba, mga idolo?
Across Philippine waters and beyond. As the Philippine Navy continues to bolster its naval capabilities, the BRP Diego Silang's quick construction presents a compelling case for the Navy to consider adding more frigates of this class. The Miguel Malvar-class frigates strike a balance between affordability, speed of production, and operational capability, making them a versatile asset for a maritime nation facing both conventional and unconventional security challenges. The Rule of Three, a strategic concept in fleet management, suggests that having a minimum of 6 vessels allows 3 to be available for operations at any time, with the remaining 3 either in maintenance, upgrade, or other states of readiness. Standardizing the Miguel Malvar class across 6 or more vessels would create an efficient, unified fleet capable of coordinated multi-ship operations,
Ito,
and
6.
remaining 3 either in maintenance, upgrade, or other states of readiness. Standardizing the Miguel Malvar class across 6 or more vessels would create an efficient, unified fleet capable of coordinated.
Sana nga, di ba? Alam ko, may plano pa naman din na magpagawa ulit ng 2 frigates and 2 corvettes pa na additional. Pero maghintay pa tayo ng mga 3 to 4 years pa, syempre. Pero at least, di ba, may plano. Pero yun nga, mas maganda kasi pakinggan, di ba, na in-acquire na natin, na ginagawa na tinetest na dineliver na. Yun ang malupit. Yan, sana patuloy din na, yun nga, patagdag ang ating mga military assets. Hindi naman kailangan sobra-sobra, di ba? Yung ano lang. Siyempre, kung hindi naman ganun karami yung mga personnel natin di ba? Kaya naakop din sa mga personnel natin, kaya yun, sana marami pa mag-join sa ating military para yun nga, madagdagan yung mga personnel natin. Para yun nga, madagdagan din yung mga barko natin kasi siyempre, may barko nga, wala ka namang personnel. Paano yun? Kaya yun, at least yung mga personnel natin ngayon, meron na silang barko na kanilang tawag dito, mga barko na kanilang sasakyan at gagamitin in case of emergency, di ba, mga idolo.
Multi-ship operations, enhancing combat interoperability while lowering maintenance and training costs. Standardizing the design of the Philippine Navy's frigates establishes a baseline for naval combat capabilities, enabling the fleet to be more agile and versatile. With HD Hyundai Heavy Industries' proven ability to rapidly build high-quality vessels, standardizing the Miguel Malvar class could allow the Philippine Navy to meet its ambitious targets faster than anticipated. Each vessel in this class brings a host of capabilities suited to the maritime challenges the Philippines faces, including enhanced radar, anti-aircraft systems, and anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The standardization across this class would ensure uniformity in operations and tactical execution, enabling smoother interoperability among vessels. The BRP Diego Salang's imminent launch highlights the Navy's commitment to building a fleet that can protect and project Philippine maritime interests. The Corvette acquisition project represents a significant investment in the country's defense infrastructure, aiming to bolster the Philippine Navy's operational readiness in an increasingly complex regional environment. If the Philippine Navy pursues a minimum of 6 Miguel Malvar-class frigates, it will not only advance its naval defense capabilities but also establish a durable maritime force that can safeguard the Philippines' sovereign waters for years to come. The BRP Diego Salang uses the HDC HDF 3200 design from HD Hyundai Heavy Industries, a world-class naval architecture that will bring unparalleled capabilities to our Navy.
Pero kung may plano naman tayo na dagdagan pa nga, kung ano nga, di ba may plano naman talaga, doon naman sa Hanwha. Kasi maganda rin yung mga design nila Saka, kompleto na rin siguro yun ng armaments din. Dahil sa kanila yung Sea Star So kaya ito mga Miguel Malvar natin wala pa mga Sea Star. Doon pa magagaling sa kanila. Yung pagkabit nito. Kaya yun. Sana naman, Hanwha naman tayo kumuha. Hindi naman siguro, parehas naman siguro din ang presyohan nila, di ba? At maganda rin ang barko nila. Hindi ko alam kung may sariling system ang Hanwha kaysa sa Hyundai. Ewan ko lang. Kung magkaiba talaga sa Hyundai tayo ulit para pare-parehas ng system ang mga barko natin. Simula sa Jose Rizal to Malvar to the present pa in the future natin mga frigates and corvettes, di ba mga idolo?
This design reflects the latest innovations in stealth technology, with a sleek profile that reduces its radar signature, making it harder for enemy forces to detect. Equipped with powerful weapons and defense systems, the BRP Diego Salang will not only be a symbol of national pride but also a critical asset in ensuring the Philippines' maritime security. Bro, when you look at how far we've come with these modernization efforts, it's clear that we are raising our military capabilities to a whole new level. This isn't just about acquiring new ships, it's about transforming the way we defend our nation. These vessels, including the BRP Diego Salang and BRP Miguel Malvar, will help us secure our vast maritime territories, project power in our waters, and respond to any potential threats with speed and precision. It's a long road ahead until we see these ships in action, but rest assured, the wait will be more than worth it. Every time we take a step like this, we are securing a better future for our Navy, our military, and our nation. The BRP Diego Salang is a shining example of what we can achieve when we commit to building a stronger and more capable defense force. Let's continue to support these efforts and look forward to the day when this mighty vessel sails under the Philippine flag.
So yun, di ba mga idolo? Malupit yan. Di na talaga makapaghintay na may deliver na yan. Nakakasabik din talaga na na mapabilang na siya sa ating Navy ships, di ba? Ano pa kaya yung ating mga Navy personnel, di ba? Nananabik na rin yung mga yan. Na makawakan. Kaya swerte din ng mga personnel na dyan madidistino o dyan mapupwesto sa mga Miguel Malvar class natin kasi bago eh. Di ba? Hindi ko naman inaano yung mga Navy natin na luma pa rin ang gamit. Pero lahat naman ng ating Navy is mga fully equipped yung mga yan. Madaling i-train yan mga yan. Kasi maski lumang barko, kaya pa rin natin patakbuhin yan. Kaya pa rin natin yan. Di ba? I-maintain. Kaya mga personnel sa Navy talaga yan. Equipped with knowledge and experience din. In case of new ships to the old ships, di ba? English yun na. Diba? So yun, at least nasa dagat na yung ating Diego Silang na Corvette type na Malvar class, di ba mga idol? So sobrang mabilis na yung progress talaga niya. Kaya sa 2025 may deliver na. Kaya yun, hintay na lang tayo mga idolo sa mga bagong update pa regarding dito. So yun, so maraming salamat kay Update PH sa kanyang video. So huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe po sa kanyang mga idolo. Lagay ko po sa description down below ang full video na to, pati po ang kanyang YouTube channel. Huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe din po sa akin at hit niyo po yung notification bell at i-like po ang video na ito. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan ay follow din po sa aking Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. So guys, dito po tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.